Hello and welcome again. Now we'll talk about order of evaluation. We have the expressions, arithmetic expression in which we will do the plus, minus, multiply, divide. So these are the orders of operation. So first of all, the brackets will be solved in the expression, and it will be from left to right. So if we are having like two brackets, so the left bracket will be solved first. So for example, x plus y. This is a bracket. Then you have like plus or multiply something x plus z. Okay. So this left side will be solved first and then it will go for the next one. Okay. That is what we say left to right. Then we have like power sign. Power sign is like 2 power 2 power 2, for example. So this power sign is from right to left. Okay. So this will be solved first. So the answer will be 2 power 2 is 4, and then this will be solved next one. Okay. Then it is 2 power 4. And that is like 16, huh? So yeah. Similarly, we have unary plus or minus. So, and this is like bitwise not operator. We will not talk about this one because this is not the part of curriculum. This plus and minus, this is interesting part. So if I have like x, if I have like 5, there is no sign. So by default, it is plus 5. We are not writing, but it is plus 5. And then we have like plus, and then if we have like 2, and which is minus sign, so I'll say minus 2. Okay. So this is the sign for the number. Sign for the number, not for the plus or minus. So if we have something like the 5 minus minus 2, oh, this is the minus sign, but this is the sign for the for the number. Okay. So then after after power sign, we have we have the we have the unary plus or unary minus. After that, we have multiply, divide. This is what you call integer division, and then we have modulus. Okay, this is a matrix division. Okay, um, this is the remainder division. This is the floor division. This is division. This is matrix division, and this is our multiplication. And again, from left to right. Okay. Then we have plus minus. Again, the plus on the left side, 5 plus 2 minus 3. Anything that is on the left side will be solved first and next will be. So if we have like 5 minus 3 plus 2, the left side will be solved first. Then we have shift operator. We'll not talk about that. I'm not sure whether, I think this is not the part of curriculum. Similarly, bitwise operators, will ignore that. But identity operator is the next one, and then membership operators. They are on the same level, huh? And the comparison operator. They are all on the same level, huh? And these are left to right. Then we have not X and or is the last one. So guys, you have to memorize this part. There's no shortcut to that. So now we'll come to the, again, this is the summary of that part. Parentheses will be solved first. Okay. Then power sign, then multiplication, division, modulus, then plus minus, then comparison operators, logical operators, not, and, or. Okay, identity operator is the last one. So yeah. So we have the expression x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7. Okay. So let me try here. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 7, and I'm saying not y, and x. Okay, now tell me which one will be solved first and which one will be solved second. So if you see here, and comes, not is the first one. Okay, so the not is the first one, not y will be solved first, and then we have and, so the and will be solved next. So this will be the next part. So not y, okay, keep in mind that any value that is non-zero means true. So if it is y, which is 7, so 7 is actually true. So not y will make it false. Not y will make it false, and x is 4, which means true. So false and true will always be false. So let's try that. Is false. Okay. One more time. 0 is, if you get 0, 0 is false. 0 mean false. Okay. And non-zero, it could be 1, or it could be -1, or it could be -10, 7, or 100, any other value other than 0. So I can say other than 0 is true. 0 is false. Keep in mind, 0 is false. Okay. So for example, x is equal to 0. Okay. And I say not x. That's true. Then x is false, so not x becomes true. X is equal to 1, not x. Okay, x is true, not x will become false. Okay, just keep in mind. So, which operator has the precedence? Which one will be solved first, guys? W plus 3 bigger than x minus y multiplied by z. So yes. So comparison operators, where is the comparison operator? That comes up here, okay? But before comparison operator, we have plus. And before plus, we have multiplication and division, okay? So this part will be solved first. Then it will go for the next part, plus minus. Because after multiplication, we have plus minus. After we are solved with the both, then we'll go for the comparison operator. So, so this will be solved first. Okay. Again, is equal to is here. Okay, where is this is the comparison operator, but before comparison operator, or is the last one, huh? Or is the almost last one. Again, z multiplied by y multiplied by z is the first one. Then we'll go for this part. Okay, then we'll go for both, whatever is the answer. And then we'll go for this part, and then we have the OR. So which operator has a precedence? Multiplication has a precedence. Amen. In this case, multiplication has the precedence. It will be solved first. In what order are the operator evaluated? Okay, so first will be, not equal to is coming after the plus minus operator. Huh? So and is also at the bottom somewhere. So the plus will be on the first. Huh? And then minus sign will be solved. Then not equal will be solved because not equal comes after the plus minus. Huh? So not equal will be solved. Then we have the AND operators. Okay, so this is the answer. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7. What will be the result? So first it will be solved this part, x plus y. Then we have a comparison operator. So this is 4 plus 1 is 5 is bigger than 7. Answer is false on this part. Okay, let's go to this part. X is equal to 3. That is also false. So false or false. Now the third one is this part. Or because or is at the bottom. Huh? So the answer is false. Because both are false, the answer is false. How about this one? Not x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Not comes after that is the, so we don't have to care about that. Comparison comes first. So we'll do the comparison first. So 4, x is 4. 4 is equal to 3. Answer is false. So not false will become true. So this will be evaluated as, so first we will evaluate x is equal to 3 and then we'll go for the not. So this is the answer. The answer is yes. Yeah, this is the right way. So you can use parentheses to make expression clearer. So yeah, this is the way that it will be solved. So here we are having brackets. Here we don't have the brackets. Okay. So if bracket is there, then for sure the bracket will be solved first. But if the bracket is not there, then we have to keep in mind that, okay, which one operator comes first? Okay, assignment comes first, equal comes first. So and then we have the not operator. So this will be first, and after that it will be second. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.